Welcome back. Jet Legend's 2025 Ka-32A11M stands as one of the most reliable, versatile, and globally respected helicopters in the world, a machine that blends Russian engineering tradition with modern aerospace upgrades to meet the demands of the toughest missions. Known for its compact size, coaxial rotor design, and unmatched stability in extreme conditions, the Ka-32A11M has become a backbone aircraft for fire rescue services, emergency response teams, and special operations units across nearly 20 countries. Its 2025 upgrade package transforms an already legendary helicopter into a highly capable next-generation workhorse ready for the challenges of the modern era. At the heart of the Ka-32A11M is its unique coaxial rotor system, a signature design of the Comav Bureau. Unlike conventional helicopters with a main rotor and tail rotor, the Ka-32A11M uses two counter-rotating rotors stacked vertically on the same mast. This eliminates torque issues, giving the helicopter outstanding stability while hovering, landing in confined spaces, and performing precision operations. In 2025, engineers refined the rotor blades with new composite materials, reducing weight while increasing durability. These improvements translate to better lift performance, smoother flight characteristics, and greater maneuverability even in turbulent mountain winds, heavy smoke environments, or over open seas. One of the most notable advancements introduced in the 2025 modernization package is the all-new digital glass cockpit. Earlier variants of the Ka-32 relied heavily on analog instrumentation, which, while reliable, lacked the situational awareness modern crews need. The new cockpit integrates advanced navigation maps, thermal displays, digital autopilot functions, and enhanced night vision compatibility. Pilots now have access to real-time weather data, augmented reality guidance overlays, and automated system diagnostics that reduce workload during demanding missions such as high-rise firefighting or search and rescue operations. This upgrade not only boosts safety but also significantly improves mission efficiency. The helicopter's engine as of the VK2500 PSO2 power plants have also received improvements. These engines deliver increased horsepower, higher temperature tolerance, and enhanced reliability over long-duration flights. In 2025, their power control systems were redesigned for more precise fuel management, improving both performance and fuel efficiency. The result is a helicopter capable of lifting heavier loads, maintaining stable power in hot and high environments, and performing rescue missions in extreme weather conditions where many other helicopters would struggle or fail. This power increase also ensures safer operations while carrying external firefighting equipment such as Bambi buckets or when hoisting personnel during emergency evacuations. One of the roles that truly defines the Ka-32A11M is firefighting. Few helicopters in the world match its ability to operate effectively in environments filled with smoke, heat, and intense updrafts. Its coaxial rotors provide unmatched control during hovering, which is critical when dropping water with accuracy or lowering firefighting crews onto rooftops. The 2025 variant features an improved kaleidoscope fire monitoring system that uses infrared sensors and high-resolution optical cameras to detect hot spots through thick smoke. This allows pilots to identify fire patterns, plan safe entry paths, and make more accurate water drops, increasing effectiveness while reducing risk to crews on the ground. In addition to firefighting, the Ka-32A11M excels in search and rescue missions over forests, mountains, and coastal areas. The upgraded avionics suite supports GPS-based search patterns, maritime tracking, and advanced communication links with rescue teams. Its compact size enables it to land in tight clearings or between urban structures where larger helicopters cannot operate. The helicopter can carry rescue hoists, medical equipment, and specialized crew members, allowing it to serve as a frontline response platform during natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, and industrial accidents. Another factor that keeps the Ka-32A11M in high demand internationally is its multi-role configuration flexibility. Operators can quickly switch the aircraft between transport, medical evacuation, cargo lifting, firefighting, and surveillance roles. The spacious, unobstructed cabin supports modular equipment tracks and stretcher systems. In 2025, its interior received enhancements including better insulation, modern emergency lighting, digital communication panels, and improved crash-resistant seating. These features make missions safer for both crew and passengers while ensuring faster role changes between assignments. The 2025 upgrade package also focuses heavily on maintainability, a key concern for operators around the world. New onboard monitoring systems continuously track engine health, rotor vibration levels, and electrical system performance. Ground crews can download diagnostic data instantly, allowing for predictive maintenance and reducing downtime. Spare parts have been standardized across more components, making logistics smoother and more cost-effective. Combined with the helicopter's already simple mechanical design, these improvements extend service life and reduce long-term operating costs, which is one reason countries continue to rely on the Ka-32 series despite the emergence of newer Western platforms. International interest in the Ka-32A11M remains strong. Countries in Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and the Americas continue to use the helicopter for diverse missions. Its ability to operate in both extremely cold northern climates and humid tropical environments makes it a reliable choice for global fleets. Many operators praise its exceptional stability during cargo lifting operations, where precise hovering is essential. Others value its reliability in maritime missions, where salt corrosion, strong winds, and unpredictable weather test the limits of many aircraft. These global endorsements help maintain the Ka-32's long-standing reputation as one of the toughest and most dependable utility helicopters ever built. In 2025, the modernization of the Ka-32A11M underscores the continued relevance of coaxial rotor technology in aviation. While many helicopter manufacturers experiment with hybrid propulsion systems, tilt rotors, and advanced automation, the Ka-32A11M proves that evolutionary upgrades to a proven platform can deliver exceptional performance without sacrificing reliability. The helicopter's balance of power, precision, versatility, and flight stability gives it an advantage in missions where safety, accuracy, and endurance are critical. For emergency responders, firefighters, and rescue pilots around the world, the Ka-32A11M is more than just an aircraft, it is a lifeline. Its ability to tame high winds, hover over burning buildings, lift victims to safety, and transport critical supplies into disaster zones has saved countless lives over the decades. The 2025 upgrades ensure that the helicopter remains a world-class asset capable of meeting modern demands while upholding its legacy as one of the most respected multi-role helicopters ever created. The Ka-32A11M continues to prove that a well-engineered design, when enhanced with new technology, can remain a global icon for generations.